Hi, this is C&R Mobile Auto Repair, and we out here. I'm on my van this afternoon. Kind of hot out here today, but I'm on my van. This is a 1996 Chevy Astro van. This is my work van that I do most of my jobs on. I'm just making sure, testing for regular maintenance to make sure it's running properly, because I do not want to be stuck out on the road when I'm going out looking at a customer's car. Today I'm gonna be checking my battery. I'm checking to see how weak or how strong my battery is. I just started the van, and I wanna run it, get the battery fully charged. I can't do my my battery test unless the battery is fully charged. What you see right here, this is a battery load tester. This is a battery load tester. You can see it. What I'm gonna do is I have to get the battery fully charged. I'm gonna put a load test on this battery to make sure it is good. And I can do this with any type of car, any type of battery, 6-volt, 12-volt battery, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna shut the car off now. My bad. I accidentally tried to start it with it running. Don't never do that. You can mess your flywheel up and your starter. Don't never do that. Be careful. But anyway. Okay, let's test this battery out. First, what you want to do is, it's my battery over there. That's the battery. I want to see how good this battery is. What you do is you take this off. So I take my charger, my tester. You put the red to the positive side of the battery. Careful. Red to the positive side of the battery. If I can get this thing situated correctly, now I can see it. So I'm gonna put the red, like I say once again, to the positive side terminal. Then I'm gonna take the negative. Before I do that, let me check something out before I get involved into that. Let's take a voltmeter. Let's take a voltmeter tester, and let me test, see how many volts is in this battery before I do the test on it. Let's test the volts of this battery. It's kind of hard for me using my camera and showing you all at the same time. Okay, I'm going under here to the negative post, if I could reach it. So the battery, I'm just going to do it from right here where I can reach it. See if I got a good reading. Okay, I got a good reading. I got 12.9 fully charged battery. 12.9 fully charged battery. Okay, now that I know my battery is fully charged, now I can do my test. Turn that off. Put this down. And I'm gonna do my test with my load tester. If I can get it situated up here. Now you do it the same way that I did with the DVOM, digital voltmeter tester. Now I'm gonna do it with my battery load tester. I'm gonna put the positive on the positive battery cable, which is red, and I'm gonna put the black on the negative. You can see it back there. See it? It's in the sun. I don't know if you can see it. That's the negative back there. Can you see how I got the negative? I don't know if you can see it back there, but I got the negative hooked on the negative, and I have the positive hooked on the positive. Now what I want to do is I want to turn this switch right here on, and I'm going to hold it for 10 seconds. Some people recommend 5 to 7 seconds. So I'm going to do it for 10 seconds, no more than 10 seconds, because it's a heating element in here, a resistor, and I don't want it up. I don't want to burn it up, burn my tester up. So I'm going to do it for 10, usually do it for 10 seconds or less. So I'm going to go on and hold it, and I'm going to count to 10, and we're going to see. I want you to look at this, look in this part right here. The yellow is the weak column, which is about 10 volts. Then it goes over to about 10.5 or 11 volts. Then 12 volts is in the green, which is good. That's where you want it to be at, in the green. If it gets in the yellow where it's a little weak, it's okay. As long as it don't drop below 9 volts. If it drop below 9 or lower, that means the battery is bad. You see that? If it drop below 9 or in the the red column where it say bad, the battery is bad. If it hang in the yellow, about 10 volts, that's okay. Anything in the red is bad. Anything below 9 volts is bad. 9 or less. 10 is okay. It might be a little weak. You might got a little life still left in your battery. But anything in the green, which is 12 volts, 12.5, that's good. That's where you want it at. So let me go and put the load on it right now. I'm going to hit this switch right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'll let off of it. You saw where it went, the needle, the hand went into right close to the 10 volts. It's a little weak, the battery. I bought this van, I don't know how long this battery been in here. But for all in all, the battery is not bad. I still got a little life in it. It's a little weak, but it's good. It didn't drop below 9 volts. So the battery is still good. I put a load on it, 100 amp load, and the battery is still good. It's a fairly good battery. So now I'm going to do one more test. I'm going to start the vehicle up, and I'm going to test the charging system. I'm going to see how good the alternator is. Normally, with everything on, full load, the alternator should be charging at about 14 to 14.5, maybe on some vehicles 15 volts. So let's start the van up and see what my charging system is doing. Start it up. Where's my keys at? I can't start nothing up unless I don't have my keys. So let me put my keys in here, and let's start this bad boy up. Okay, we started it up. Now let's see what my charging system is doing. I'm glad I tested this. Let's see how it's doing at idle. Right now, it was in the red a little bit first starting off. It was in the red, but now it's done moved up in that green, area. It moved up in the green area, and it's okay. As long as it's in that green. It was a little bit in the red, but it moved up. It's hovering, getting close to about 14 volts, which is okay. 14 volts, between 14 and 14.5 volts with the alternator on. It's steady moving up, so that's a good sign. I'm getting closer and closer to that 14, a little bit past that 14. So my charging system is okay. My alternator is good. It's okay in this van. So that'll be the end of my test. Just remember, if you're having a similar issue, having a problem with your battery, your alternator, please give us a call. C&R Mobile Auto Repair. Our number is 661-540-3048. My name is Corey Solomon. if you're having any similar issues with your truck or your van, car, whatever, you need maybe your battery's weak or your alternator's kind of weak, give us a call. We'll put a test on it for you and see, do you have any problem. Thanks again, and please hit us up. Bye.